So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to fix your transaction error on your Trust Wallet. So first, you need to access your Trust Wallet application on your mobile phone, and after that, you need to enter your credentials for you to able to log in. Once you're in, you will see above your main wallet and it has an arrow down. You just have to click on that. Once you click on the wallet section, you will see your multi-coin wallets, which is has the three dots. You just have to click on that. And once you click on the three dots, you just have to rename your wallet for you to able to fix the error. So another method is go back to the Play Store or App Store, which is you downloaded the Trust Wallet, and check for the Trust Wallet if has any updates. Also, you could check the Trust Wallet if the auto update is enabled for it able to avoid any transaction error on your Trust Wallet. You could also do a clear cache or clear data on your Trust Wallet by going to the app information itself. Take note that it is only available on the Android because iOS or iPhones doesn't have any built-in application clear caching. And that's how you fix your transaction error on your Trust Wallet.